Hello viewers, let's make notes, quiz, summaries of the video of YouTube by new ask tool like having a smart assistant by your side of AI. So no more searching and scrolling. And let's convert the video into desired text format on PC. Now in front of you is a video which is related to English literature and I am going to convert the same into desired text. But if I scroll it down, so I don't see ask button. So let me maximize the video to full screen and now you can see the starlight button. So click ask button and now it's open. Now there are few ready-made buttons: summarize the video, recommend related content, quiz me, or you can demand for any XYZ. So let me first use the quiz, which is relatively smaller, and you can see that it has done this. So let me select this, copy it and bring it to text editor. It's in front of you. Let me go back. Let me click this ask button and now let's go and click summarize the content. And let me copy it, the summary of the lecture regarding past, present, future tenses. And now the last thing, in case if you like the same lecture into another format, so you can simply write, make me a short notes of this lecture in paragraph format, and let's click enter. And now the desired information has been converted into text. So let me copy this and let's paste it. And even if I click recommended related content button, so I'll see the videos related to this topic. This is very beneficial for students and many others. Or you can use the same technique for longer videos to convert the same for any XYZ beneficial uses. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.